Let's talk about hacking, but not the Hollywood kind. We're diving into ethical hacking, learning how systems work, how they break, and how to defend them. Think of it as being a digital locksmith. You study how locks are picked so you can build better ones. A personal hacking lab is your safe, sandboxed playground to practice these skills. No laws broken, no harm done. Why build one? Maybe you're eyeing a cybersecurity career or just want to understand the tech that runs our world. Building your own lab is the best way to get hands-on experience. You can launch attacks, test defenses, and see the results instantly. Reading about vulnerabilities is one thing. Exploiting them in a controlled environment is another. The lab is isolated, a self-contained network on your computer. Whatever happens inside, stays inside. This lets you experiment, make mistakes, and learn without real-world consequences. It's like a flight simulator for cybersecurity crash and burn as much as you need before flying for real. In 2025, basic cybersecurity knowledge is as essential as knowing how to use a browser. Building a lab demystifies hacking and empowers you to defend your digital life. You'll learn to think like an attacker, spot weaknesses, and, let's be honest, it's a lot of fun. It's a complex puzzle where you get to see all the pieces fit together. Ready to build your lab? Good news, you don't need a monster server. Most modern computers from the last 5 years are up to the task. We'll use virtualization, running virtual computers inside your main one. The essentials: a CPU with at least 4 cores, and virtualization support, 16 GB of RAM and 100 GB of free storage. More cores mean more virtual machines at once. Check your BIOS for Intel VTX or AMD V and enable it if needed. RAM is crucial. Each virtual machine needs its own slice. 16 GB is the minimum. 32 GB is even better. For storage, speed matters more than size. An SSD is a must. NVMe is even better. Virtual machine files are big, so plan for at least 100 GB free. If you're still on a mechanical hard drive, upgrade to SSD for a huge performance boost. With these specs, you'll run multiple virtual machines smoothly. No need to break the bank. Use what you have, upgrade if you can. Your existing laptop or desktop is probably enough to get started. Virtualization makes it easy to experiment and reset if things go wrong. Let's move on to the software you'll need. Hardware's ready, now for the software. The core is your hypervisor, software that runs virtual machines. We'll use Oracle VM VirtualBox, free, open source, and works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Other options exist like VMware Workstation Player or Hyper-V, but VirtualBox is beginner-friendly and consistent. Next, you need 2 virtual machines, an attacker and a target. For the attacker, use Kali Linux, a security-focused OS loaded with hacking tools. For the target, use Metasploitable, a purposely vulnerable Linux machine designed to be hacked. Kali saves you time by bundling all the tools you need. Metasploitable is your digital punching bag, safe, legal, and perfect for practice. With these 2, you can safely learn to identify and exploit weaknesses. Everything you need is free and easy to set up. Let's get VirtualBox installed. Time to install VirtualBox. Go to the official Oracle VM VirtualBox website and download the version for your operating system. Run the installer, just follow the prompts and accept the defaults. You might see pop-ups for network adapters. Approve them so your virtual machines can communicate. Once installed, launch VirtualBox. The dashboard is your command center. Before creating machines, install the VirtualBox extension pack from the same download page. In VirtualBox, go to File Preferences, Extensions, click Add, and select the extension pack file. Agree to the license terms. The extension pack adds features like USB 3.0 support and better integration. Now your virtualization playground is ready. Everything's set for creating and running virtual machines. The process is quick and beginner-friendly. With VirtualBox and the extension pack, you're ready for the next step. Let's set up your attacker machine. Let's set up Kali Linux as your attacker machine. Go to kali.org, download the VirtualBox image from the download section. It's a big file, be patient. Extract the downloaded archive to get the VirtualBox files. In VirtualBox, select Machine, Add, find the .box file and open it. Kali will appear in your machine list. Check the settings, give it at least 2 GB RAM, 4 GB is better. Go to the Network tab, set Adapter 1 to internal network, and name it LabNet. This keeps your lab isolated. Machines can talk to each other, but not the outside world. Click OK to save settings. Start your Kali machine, it's ready to go. You now have a powerful attacker environment. Next, let's set up your target. Now for your target, Metasploitable. Download it from Rapid7 or SourceForge. Extract the zip file to a folder. In VirtualBox, click New, name it Metasploitable, set type to Linux and version to Ubuntu, 64-bit. Assign 1 GB RAM. For hard disk, choose Use an existing virtual hard disk file and select the .vmdk file from the extracted folder. Click Create. In Settings and Network, set Adapter 1 to internal network and use the same name as Kali LabNet. This puts both machines in the same isolated sandbox. Now Kali and Metasploitable can communicate, but nothing leaves your computer. Your attacker and target are ready for action. You've built a safe, legal hacking playground. Let's talk about staying ethical. This is the most important part. Stay legal and ethical. The tools in Kali are powerful. Use them only in your lab or with explicit permission. Never attack systems you don't own or have written consent to test. Your lab is a safe bubble. Traffic never leaves your computer. Metasploitable is built to be attacked. You have full permission there. The moment you target anything else, you're crossing a line. Don't do it. Think of your lab as a driving simulator. Learn the controls before hitting real roads. The skills you gain are for defending, not harming. White hat hackers help companies find vulnerabilities before criminals do. Stick to your sandbox, participate in official competitions, or use bug bounty platforms with clear rules. Don't scan random networks or devices. Operate with integrity. Your reputation matters in cybersecurity. Learn, experiment, and grow, but always stay on the right side of the law. Now, let's keep your lab up to date. Your lab needs regular maintenance to stay effective. Update Kali Linux often. New tools and fixes come out all the time. Boot Kali, open a terminal, and run sudo apt update, then sudo apt full upgrade. Why? Do this monthly or before new projects. Use VirtualBox snapshots before risky changes. Snapshots let you roll back if something breaks. In VirtualBox, select your machine, go to Snapshots, and take one before experimenting. If you mess up, just revert to the snapshot. No need to reinstall. Keeping your lab fresh means you're always ready to learn. Regular updates and snapshots make experimentation safe and stress-free. Stay current, and your skills will stay sharp. Now let's talk about leveling up. Congrats! You've built your own hacking lab, attacker, target, and a safe network. Now, start exploring. Boot both machines. Scan Metasploitable from Kali with tools like Nmap. Use free resources like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, and Over the Wire for guided, gamified learning. Many challenges work perfectly with your own lab setup. Join communities, subreddits, Discord servers, and forums to learn from others and ask questions. Don't be afraid to get stuck. Every problem solved is a new skill gained. Keep your curiosity alive and keep experimenting. Update your lab, try new tools, and challenge yourself with new targets. You're now more than a tech consumer, you're a digital defender. The journey starts with a single scan. Keep going. Stay ethical, have fun, and keep learning. The world of cybersecurity is waiting for you. Good luck.